Alright guys, we have a 2018 Subaru Forester with a 2.5. We're going to be doing a AC compressor on this one. The AC compressor does not work. A simple way to check it is get your test light, put it on the negative post of the battery, take this cable off, touch the end of it with the car running an AC on. If it lights up and the compressor's not turning on, usually means that it's not good. This is the part that's supposed to turn the compressor. It's the clutch. So if that's not turning, you have power on that wire. Put your test light on the positive of the battery and touch around the body of the compressor, and it should light up and show you that you have ground. Now, if both of those light up and this compressor still is not turning on, that will tell you that this compressor is no good. Like normal, if your new parts here, check it out, make sure it looks like the old one. In this case it is. We're just gonna get right into it. Get your AC machine on there, suck down all the Freon. 12 tensioner tool. That's a tensioner right there. It's a 14mm. You can use a wrench or a ratchet as well. Pull it towards you, tighten it, and pull the belt off. Two 14mm there and there. Set them aside, that way we know where they were. They're different sizes as well, so you want to get them to where you know exactly which one came out of where. One under there, and one more down under there, both 14mm. Want to replace the O-rings on these lines, get a little screwdriver in there and pry them out. There's the new one, slide the new one on it. Let's see, probably going to need two hands, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys me getting it on there, but get the point. There you go. That one's on. Replace the other one and get back to it. Alright guys, one very important step is after you get done putting the compressor in, you want to hook up your AC machine. You want to suck it down on vacuum for as long as possible. You want to get all of the moisture out of the system. Then you can refill it. I believe this one takes like 0.90 pounds of Freon. But always make sure you suck down the system on vacuum after changing something in the AC system. In this case, I did not replace the dryer, which you should usually do. The customer didn't want it because it was part of the condenser, and it would have been very expensive. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe.